Here are 3 Halloween handprint crafts to make with your kids. We share our passion for Halloween with our friends and family through personalized Halloween cards. Your kids will love making these Halloween handprint crafts and your family will love getting them. To make these Frankenstein handprint cards, you'll need green paint, black paint, googly eyes, black and blue markers, and Halloween cards. We used these Halloween cards I found online. Using green paint, paint your kids' palm only. Do not paint the fingers. Using black paint, paint their fingers. With your kid's hand, palm face down, and fingers close together, push their hand onto the card or the paper. Be sure to apply a little pressure and gently lift. Once the handprints are dry, glue on googly eyes on the green palm just below the black fingers. Using markers, draw on a mouth and the side bolts on the neck, and then send them out to all your friends and family. Halloween 2024 is the season of the witch. To make this craft, you'll need paper, green paint, googly eyes, brown and black construction paper, glue, a paper straw, and a black marker. With the green paint, paint your entire hand green. Press your hand onto the paper and gently lift it off. Now turn the paper so your fingers are pointing down. With the black construction paper, cut a witch's hat out and glue it to the top of your painted palm. Dot googly eyes with some glue and stick them just below the hat. Cut a 2" by 2" square out of brown construction paper. Then cut strips into the paper, but do not cut all the way up. Leave about a ½ free from any cuts. You'll want this to sort of look like fringe. Apply the glue to the uncut section of the brown paper and wrap it around the bottom of the paper straw. And now you can defy gravity with this broom. Apply glue to the straw and stick it onto the witch. Draw a mouth, hair, and other things like moon and stars. These ghost handprint cards are one of my favorites. You'll need white and black paint, googly eyes, black construction paper, and other construction paper in the colors orange, purple, and any other color that will complement your ghosts. With white paint, paint the palm side of your kid's hand. Press their hand onto black construction paper and gently lift it up. Glue on googly eyes to each ghost and use black paint or a marker to give them mouths. Cut out the ghosts and leave a small border of black paper around the hand. Using another color construction paper, fold or cut the paper in half. Glue the ghost handprint to the paper. Write your spooky Halloween note on the cards and add some other festive decor like these bats. Aren't they so cute? We love crafting for Halloween and my kids have so much fun getting into the spooky season. And my family loves receiving these projects in the mail. Or so I think. Thank you so much for stopping by. It was so good to see you and I hope you enjoyed all these Halloween handprint crafts. Bye for now.